Hoover Dam. Kyle's driving, so I am limited to videotaping and wishing I could pee. Which are... There are tourists on your right, looking at...
Lots of water down
Lots of water, which makes me want to pee.
I don't see any restrooms here.
That is a big dam. A dam. Alright, I'm trying to be dutiful here. I said dutiful. That's not it, is it?
Oh,
or is it?
Part of it.
Oh.
It's the reservoir on this side.
The time, it is Thursday on June whatever day this is. And we are on our way back from the wonderful and majestic Grand Canyon. This is not the Grand Canyon, although it might look rocky. And there's a guy with a red hat. Hello! Hello! I'm going to open the window now.
Alright, just don't get beat up.
How would I get beat up? Hello! There are all these people thinking, hello! Don't swear on my camera. Ready? Hello! Are you saying hello? Oh, hello. We almost just ran over somebody. You missed that with that guy in the black shirt right there. He almost just got plastered by the Dodge Charger. Okay, my duties are going. We are driving by. There's Alan Alda. And the guy from. And this girl thinks I'm taping her, which I am now. Hello!
I know, I'm still
This is... I don't know what we're recording here. These are people standing at what looks like a train. Although there's...
I think it's an elevator.
It's an elevator, so saith Kyle. I have never been here. Well, we were here yesterday, yes, but I was not recorded, so I do not know. They're ugly. Okay. There's not a lot of photographable things here. Except that woman apparently is photographable. Hello!
What was the British woman voice?
It's the Mrs. Doubtfire voice, you know? Where he's like, you know... Remember, you know, the scene where he's got the cake on his face or whatever, and she busts in the bathroom and he goes, I do! Well, there it is.
Restrooms to the right. Jump out.
What? Jump out? What do you mean jump out? What are you gonna...
Parking right.
I hate all those people walking in front of my face. Hoover Dam exhibits. Some guy filming something that I'm filming about. This is Kyle, he's driving right now in the Hoover Dam. This is your tour guide, Mrs. Doubtfire. Ooh, a voice! Ooh, shit, what is this? This is a winged creature. Not really sure. And there's some more Asians, which continues the theme. They ball. Now we're speeding up and I don't know what to tape. I don't really know what these are. They're big metal things. Ooh, we almost just got hit by the car. There's some guy working on a thing. Oh, he's fake. I'm the best tour guide ever.
There's probably a restroom back there, but you have to pay to go into that parking lot.
So I'm just going to have to wait to pee. Road work ahead. If we can get it on camera, we can like do it. We can turn into those Fox car chase videos. Come on, somebody hit each other, not us. Our insurance on this car is not quite secure. Speaking of the car, this is a inside of it.
She's videotaped your magazine.
I was looking for the picture of Ronald Reagan I was just looking at. I was going like, there's Ronald Reagan at the Hoover Dam. Wait a minute, he's back here. Hi, Ronald Reagan. Hello! And there's a snake the next mile. So saith. So saith? What am I the big deal with the so saith? What? Okay, these are the rocks around the Hoover Dam. That is a big metal structure. Where is the actual... Oh, it's down there. Got it. Hopefully the camera does not get lost out the window. I don't know if there's anything else. There's some stuff for the power plant that I'm sure runs the Hoover Dam.
Las Vegas, I believe.
Really? What are those big metal structures? Must be a giant playground for all the construction workers that I'm sure do not speak English.
I think that's for bungee jumping.
I really hope that... For what? It is not. Let's get on this tour bus. I'll just record some off until we have to go. Nobody down there, I don't think. It is quite nice and windy today in the Hoover Dam. Approximately 30 miles outside of Las Vegas. Now I'm Steve Irwin. And another accident about... Gosh! Do not cause accidents! Ah!
Should have passed this tour bus here, but the lane was supposed to end. And evidently no one else cared.
This is a 7-minute video. Wow. What have I spent 7 minutes talking about?
Where's the bit?
We were witnessing a runaway bus. Keanu! Don't go over 50! I wonder if Dennis Hopper's on that bus. He's like in little Koopa ears and stuff. It's like a remix between Speed and Super Mario Brothers. And like all the little Koopas around the house. Or around what the heck? That was the weirdest thing I've probably ever seen. I don't really know how long this is going to go. This is the Hoover Dam Central Warehouse. It's a yellow building.
Now into the Pacific time zone.
Now we're into the Pacific time zone. Goodbye, Pacific time zone.
No, hello.
Oh, hello. Hello! Where seatbelts are required.